Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about ThriveCart, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you delete or remove a product in your ThriveCart? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to delete a product in your ThriveCart anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business selling digital products, you know that sometimes products are no longer relevant, or maybe they need to be updated, so you want to be sure to delete them. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your ThriveCart dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my ThriveCart, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to delete or remove one of your products, here on the top, you're going to click on these three horizontal lines. Once you do that, you're going to go ahead and scroll through until you see the product that you'd like to delete. So for example, this one right here. And when you hover over the product, you can go ahead and click on the X that appears to the right. Once you do that, you're going to get this warning. Are you sure you want to permanently delete this product? If so, click on the red permanently delete. Now, before you do that, if you think that you might use this product in the future, you can simply pause it. So instead of permanently deleting it, you can click here on edit. All right, once you do that, you're going to be here in the product edit screen. So click on product and then click on options. And then over here, you're going to see product status. So instead of deleting it, you can simply disable it. So what's going to happen there? It's not going to be visible to the public and no one can purchase this product. And I usually do that. That way I can come back in and republish the product at a later date instead of having to recreate it completely. But that's really up to you. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to delete or remove a product in your ThriveCart, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.